Good morning.
This morning was a rainy morning, so we stayed a little bit longer in our tent.
But we'll listen to some good audiobooks and read some good books, and the description to these books will be down in the description.
But now we will go, so let's go. Bye. We forgot something to say. We are going to the waterfalls today. Let's go!
There are people jumping from here down into the water here, but they are a little bit crazy.
Also some crazy guys who climbed into the waterfall, I don't know, but just watch.
Feel good! That feels good!
This was our first place and it was great. So we will go on and find great places too.
We will find another waterfall for sure.
It's too cold, so I have to warm up. Warm-up session number 1.
That feels good!
We had a great time at the waterfalls. It was cold, but we enjoyed it really.
Yeah, but now we're both hungry and we will go to the campsite and we'll cook something. So see you at the campsite.
See you later.
We are now here at the campsite and we are eating something very delicious. Just look at it.
Yeah, it was a mistake. We didn't cook yet. We bought just
A can of tuna.
a can of tuna with bread.
So delicious. Look at this.
Back in the jungle.
That feel good! That feel good!
Hello.
Hi. You wanna know something from me?
What?
My hobbies?
Yeah,
Ah.
for sure.
Taking pictures.
Your hobbies are taking pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, I put your Instagram description down here. Your Instagram link down in the description.
Down
Is
in
that
this
right?
description, yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it down there
Okay, that's
just
great.
to show some work
Yeah,
from you, because it's your hobby.
because
taking
it's my
pictures.
passion, yeah.
It's your passion.
Absolutely.
fine.
It's not
Great.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao. You see this sign?
Yeah, I see this sign. Oh my gosh. Such a gangster.
Yeah.
That feel good!